Prophets in Islam series. 25 prophets, one message, one God. Number 2. Idris alayhi salam. Name: Idris. Title: Second prophet after Adam. Mentioned twice in the Quran. Praised for truthfulness, patience, and knowledge. Birth and time. Born around 1000 years after Adam. Born in Babylon, Iraq, according to historical Islamic narrations. Lived in an era between Prophet Adam and Prophet Nuh, peace be upon them. Lineage: Idris ibn Yared ibn Mahlal, from the descendants of Sheeth, son of Adam, 7th generation from Adam alayhi salam. Wives and children. Specific names of wives and children not mentioned in authentic Islamic sources. Some reports mention sons and daughters, but no Sahih Hadith or Quranic verse confirms details. Allah knows the best. In Bible, known as Enoch in biblical traditions. In Quran, called Siddiq, truthful, and Nabi, prophet. He was a man of truth and a prophet. His knowledge: first to write with a pen, taught astronomy, medicine, and tailoring. First to use tools and measure time by the movement of stars. Revelation and mission. He received revelation and called people to Tawheed, oneness of Allah, warned against idol worship and moral corruption, commanded prayer, fasting, and charity. His ascension: and we raised him to a high station. Quran, Surah Maryam, 1957. According to Sahih sources, Idris was raised to the 4th heaven during his lifetime. Death: Allah knows best about the exact time and place. Scholars agree he did not die on earth, raised to the heavens. Legacy: scholar, prophet, and innovator. First to teach writing, tailoring, astronomy, and timekeeping. Honored in Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. Left a legacy of truth, knowledge, and discipline. Key qualities: truthful. He was a man of truth, a prophet. Knowledgeable. First to write with the pen. Obedient and grateful. Patient and wise. Taught tailoring and astronomy. Role model of early civilization. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more Prophet facts.